Okay, now we're at the correct train station, Colombo Fort. Hello, sir. Which platform is it to go to Kandy?
Kandy, yeah,
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, so this is where things began to take a turn for the worst. I didn't get much of what happened next on camera, but basically, I was in this tuk-tuk, I was riding to my guest house, and I started to realize that something I'd eaten was not quite agreeing with me. I could feel the tidal wave brewing, making its way both upstairs and downstairs, if you know what I'm saying. Trying to get out of both exits. When I finally arrived at the destination, the guest house was just this empty skeleton of a building, with no one there. A guy walking past told me it had been closed for years, even though I just booked it the other night on an app. So yeah, I was sitting by the side of this dirt road as day turned into night, trying to call a taxi. I booked a 5-star hotel on an app because I knew, hey, it's going to be comfortable and I know it's going to be working and have good service. I just need to get somewhere where I can, just get a toilet to myself. The taxis kept cancelling on me. The ones I was calling on this app, they kept cancelling because I said I was in too remote of a location. It's too hard to get to. So I was just sitting there for maybe an hour or so, trying not to explode. Eventually a taxi did come, took me to this hotel, very nice hotel. I had to wait for another 40 minutes because they were still processing my booking. So I was just running between the toilet in the lobby and the front desk, being like, okay, is it ready now? Have you got my booking ready? No? Okay, I'm going back to the toilet. But yeah, I did get in eventually, and it's a very nice hotel, and I just spent the next few days absolutely destroying the toilet bowl with both barrels. Well, that was kind of a shit couple of days, but I think I finally somewhat recovered. Let's see what that big old Buddha's saying.